Okay, I'm a zombie. Okay, I call slingshot.
Alright. Do you know how to get this ending?
Yes, I do. I've already gotten it, actually.
Really? That's interesting.
Go to class, yeah.
Alright, everyone voted to go to class. That's good. I really like all the new decorations in this one.
Yeah, it's makes it Halloweeny.
You just said weenie.
Whatever. Oh, Patrick, you're right next to me. Wow.
Yay!
I'm a good student. I brought my homework. I also brought a donut, a med kit, and some bandages. Excuse me, teacher. Here's my homework.
Right, because you're the better student, aren't you?
Hey, I got an A plus in my homework. Boom, how do you like that, kid? I'm sticking my homework in your face. Eat it. Eat your homework right now, or you're fired.
Well, then I'm fired.
Boom.
Stop it.
Okay, nerd, I'm a zombie killer. I don't want to. Oh, what's your problem, kid? You're for tag now.
The teacher's coming back.
Yeah, sure she is. Sure she is. Oh, Patrick, you're for tag. Oh, snitch. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I snitch or not?
Yes.
Yes, we're still on the teacher. Don't snitch. Don't snitch. No!
It was you. You're a snitch.
I got the fish sword. Patrick, look, I got the fish sword. Look. It's supposed to be like this. We're having a dance party.
Yeah.
Don't be mean to me. Don't be mean to me. Don't be mean to me. Don't. Oh, come on. You bully.
You're the one that's a bully because you shove it in my face.
I'm like, you have to reach.
Let's see the test. Let's see if she jumps on it or not.
She's gonna.
Nope, she's not a noob. No.
I told you she was.
I can't. I'm not.
Well, I want her to get eaten by the zombie, not the principal.
Yeah, so we could be the only two left in the game, and it could be a private server.
The principal is not really a pal. No, don't help me, yes! Oh, get him! Kill him!
Yay! That was
ladies and gentlemen, we got him!
Funny.
That actually wasn't that hard.
Yeah, it wasn't. Alright, now we can both vote on the ending.
Because we're going with the F360.
Wait, but he missed.
Imagine.
We're almost there. Almost. Yeah, I have one respawn left. That's it, though.
Okay, I'm gonna hold my slingshot.
Wait, is the Donut Dave ending the one with the flying donut?
What do you mean?
The donut that goes around.
Oh, it's the one that we did together, like the one in the jail cells.
Yeah. I didn't know that I did it. I forgot. Yeah. Alright. We're almost done.
Right, I've got them. most stuff by far. What? Go back to Dave. Yeah, we have to go up. He's falling down. Okay, good. Run. I'm gonna beat you. Patrick.
I'm so slow.
I'm so slow. I'm gamer too. I was supposed to say my real name.
No, we can't reveal that. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Funny. No, I died before the parkour, actually, I think. Alright, how are we gonna do this, boys? Here we go.
I'm gonna try and do this flawless.
Oh, I forgot about it.
Jack, if you want, I keeps giving me medkits.
Give me one, quick.
Stand still.
Did you make it,
It
me?
won't let me give you one. It keeps making me use them on myself. Try to just jump around. Don't try and hit him now. Watch out!
It was at this moment that he knew.
Did you get hit?
Yeah, I died. Yeah, it wouldn't.
Also, couldn't medkit.
Yeah, that's weird. It wouldn't let me medkit. It wouldn't let him medkit me, which was weird. But everything was okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
To jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam, kiedy skończy się ten stan, gdy już nie będę sam, bo wiedzie biały węgiel. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia.